My dear child, I hear you. I hear the ache in your heart, the doubts in your mind, and the tears you hide from the world. You feel tossed by storms you cannot control, but I am here, in this moment, reaching out my hand to you. Let me calm the waves within your soul. Long ago I spoke peace to a raging sea. Today I speak peace to you. The winds howl, the night feels endless, but I am the light. No darkness can overcome. Take my hand. Let me quiet the storm inside you first. You whisper, "Lord, do you see me? Do you care?" My child, I carved your name into the palms of my hands. Every struggle, every fear, every unanswered prayer, one, carry them with you. You are never alone. Let us build a prayer life together, not with grand words, but with honest whispers. Come to me when you're weary. Come to me when you're angry. Come to me when you're too tired to speak. I will meet you there, every time. My precious one, I see the weight you carry. Let me lift it from your shoulders. I know your dreams feel distant, but I am working in the unseen. When the world says, "You're not enough," hear me say, "You are mine." When shame whispers, "You failed again," hear me declare, "You are forgiven." Bring me your broken pieces. Let me rebuild your heart with grace. Start today. Light a candle, open my word, and sit with me for just 5 minutes. Tell me your joys, your fears, your hopes. I will transform your rushed prayers into sacred conversations. And when the storms return, and they will remember this, I am not a God who stays silent. I am Emmanuel, God with you, holding you steady, guiding you forward one prayer at a time. This storm will pass, but my love for you, it is eternal. Tomorrow when you open your eyes, say, "Jesus, I'm here. I will be waiting." Share this prayer with someone who feels lost in the waves, and always remember, my child, I will never let you drown. I am your anchor, now and forever.